class. Today we're going to be looking at section 7.4, solving logarithmic equations. And you'll notice on your sheet that all the examples are on the left and the practice is on the right. So don't let the way I have my screen set up confuse you. The property of equality for logarithmic functions states if b is a positive number other than 1, then log base b of x equals log base b of y if and only if x equals y. Sometimes the properties can be confusing, and they are to me too. I'm more concerned about solving the equation and understanding that part. And these aren't hard. I don't want them to intimidate you. Let me just start with the example. It says solve log base 2 of 2x equals to 3. So we have our original equation, and what we do to rewrite it is we rewrite it as the 2x, which is your answer, is equal to, here's your base of 2 and your power of 3. So you just set your base, bring your base over to the right and raise it to the power that's listed on the right, and then solve. So x is 4. So on our first example, log base 4 of 5x plus 1 is 2. I'm going to start by rewriting that as 5x plus 1 equals 4 squared. So 5x plus 1 would equal 16. Subtract 1 from both sides. 5x would equal 15. Divide both sides by 5. X would equal 3. That's all there is to it. And the second one, we've got log base 4 of 4x minus 20 equals 5. So start by writing it as 4x minus 20 equals 4 to the 5th. So 4x minus 20 will equal 4 raised to the 5th is 1024. Now add 20 to both sides. I'm going to show the work on this one since it's a little bit bigger problem. So we'll have 4x equals 1044. I'm sorry about my writing. 4x equals 1044. Divide both sides by 4. And x will equal, I believe it's 261. 261. Okay, there's our first two examples. Now on to example C. And here's another example too, problem, or another type of problem here. Solve the equation log base 2 of x plus 17 equals log base 2 of 3x plus 23. Since the bases of the logarithms are equal, see they're both log base 2, then x plus 17 must equal 3x plus 23. So you just solve this equation to get your answer. On ours, example C, see how we have log base 3 on both sides? So just set this equal to x minus 5 is 13. Add 5 to both sides. And x will equal 18. Alright, on example D, but notice again, they're both log base 4s, so set the two sides equal. X plus 12 equals 4x. Subtract an x from both sides. 12 will equal 3x. divide both sides by 3, and x equals 4. Okay, and our last one. Again, both of them are log base 4s. So set the two parts equal. The 3x minus 1 equals 2x plus 3. Subtract the 2x from both sides. That will leave us with x minus 1 equals 3. Add 1 to both sides. And we see that we have x is equal to 4. There you have it. That is how you solve logarithmic equations. I think you'll find these pretty easy. You just are going to do the ones on the right side, the practice problems 1 through 5. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.